up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our witch's attic bedroom with our cabinet of curiosities because we are taking a look at MGA's Miniverse Make It Mini Food Halloween Series 1. I got these on Amazon a while back for $9.99 each. I've been holding them for a while because last year I got fussed at for doing Halloween too early. But the stores are doing it, so here we are. It says 3 recipes to collect, and we have 3 capsules, so there is a possibility we might get one of each. I am mainly excited about the apples, although we do have a How to Make Doll Candy Apples video. Let's open up the capsule. There are 2 layers of plastic. The top of the capsule is clear and the bottom is orange. Now let's open it up. Ooh, the table has a spider web. The base is black. There's some instructions with do's and don'ts on how to play with mini food because this does have resin if you choose to use it. And here's the collector's guide or recipes showing us all the different items we can find in this collection. We have several paper bags that we can open. And here is a black cake stand that is decorated on top. Let's place it on the table. In the next bag, we have a server, plastic tweezers, and a little pumpkin for the capsule. But I'm just gonna cut this off, then paint the little details to make a miniature pumpkin decoration. And I think we can already tell which mini this is. Here's a cake or pie topper. There's a small spider web on cardstock. Let's put that on top of the cake stand. In this bag, we find a pie crust. Oh look, the sun has fangs. Let's place the pie crust on the cake stand. In the next bag, we find whipped cream. And the last bag is a can of resin, pumpkin pie filling. But I wonder if we can make filling using model magic. At the dollar store, I was able to buy the primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. I'm mixing red and yellow to make orange. Let's add a little more yellow. And I'm gonna use a washable marker to add a little brown, then mix it up and repeat until we get the desired color. Then place it in the pie pan and smooth it out. Add a little texture on top if you like to make the pie filling. I mix brown marker and Mod Podge and paint a thin coat on top. Then add the pie topper to the center, pushing it into the model magic. Then add the whipped cream using Mod Podge to hold it in place to make our own pumpkin pie. Let's open the next one to see which Halloween treat we have this time. We have a different table. This one is orange with Boo and little ghost, and we have a white base. In this bag, we have another mini pumpkin handle and tweezers. In this bag, we find a plastic cup with ears. Personally, I think this cup is a little large for our 1/6 scale dollhouse, but we're gonna keep going and open the next bag, which is a tub of whipped cream. And this is a bag within a bag. It says spooky sleeve, and we have to open the little bag to get the sleeve out. Oh yeah, and there was a straw with the tweezers. Then in the last bag, we have pumpkin spice coffee. But we're gonna take our leftover orange model magic, mix in more yellow, and I add a little real cinnamon and or pumpkin spice to add little dots to the mix. Add it to the cup, then a little Mod Podge on top, followed by the whipped cream. Hopefully the Mod Podge will hold it in place. Then we add the top and the straw, which goes right through the whipped cream, to make a pumpkin spice latte. And if you would like to make one using items you might already have in your house, we have a DIY right here. And here is our last one, which is either a double or the candy apples. Because we already have 2 of the 3 in this collection. And is that the orange table? It is! And there's a little ghost. Wait, why do I have 2? Oh, this one must have fell out of one of the earlier capsules. So this means that we have a double. It's the cup again. Yep. Since we already have some leftover model magic, let's place it in the cup and then shape it to make it look like it's splashing out. Then brush it with a little gloss Mod Podge, then add the straw so it looks like we are spilling our pumpkin spice latte, turning our Make It Mini food into a frozen moment mini. Now we just need to let it dry. While waiting, let's take a look at Cleo DeNile Bejeweled Beauty Case. I bought this set on Amazon for $42.99. It comes with a gold-colored sarcophagus with painted eyes and images of her pets at the bottom. There is a blue skullette on the side, and the case can open, revealing a storage tray with more storage underneath. And there's a quilted pattern sculpted into the plastic and a bow pillow, and the doll can fit inside. It also comes with temporary tattoos, a beetle of highlighter, and a gold-colored mirror. Personally, I don't need the highlighter or the tattoos, but I love the mirror. It is even decorated on the back. We could probably place this on a desk and make our own Cleo DeNile inspired vanity. Speaking of Cleo, here she is. I consider myself a Cleo DeNile fan and totally intend on getting all her different variations in G3. And probably Draculaura too. I can't help it, she's so adorable. With the Golden Glam Case, we get a fully articulated Cleo DeNile. Her hair is long and very soft. The very front is pulled around to the back, and the top is pulled up. She does seem to have a lot of tinsel. I have feelings about tinsel, so I will probably remove it after this video. There are painted jewels above her eyebrows and at the corner of her eyes. She has blue and gold eyeshadow, a bronzy kind of lip color. Her ears are not fully pierced. However, there are little indents to let you know where they should be. She comes wearing a gold-colored necklace with painted details. That looks just like this scarab necklace that holds the highlighter. Twins. She wears a long sleeve printed dress that velcros in the back and the pattern goes all the way around. She wears gold-colored shoes and they have the gold-colored sarcophagus on the heels. Kinda love the shoes. She has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, chest, hip, knee. Overall, I really like this Cleo. I'm loving the lip color, but I would have gladly traded the highlighter and tattoos for some doll fashion. But that's just me. I know it's supposed to be a glam case, but if I'm looking for more spooktacular treats for my Monster High dolls, then I think the Make It Mini Food Halloween series could be an option. And we do have a video on how to make a slice of pie, just in case you want to make one out of paper. Our spilled pumpkin spice latte is now dry, and I think it will totally work for some doll photography. And actually, with the Monster High proportions, I don't really mind that the latte is a little large. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at some spooky treats. and used Model Magic from the dollar store as a sub for resin. And we checked out a new Cleo DeNile. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.